viewers, welcome back to the channel. A new year is not just a change update, it's a quiet promise, a promise of new beginning, fresh dreams, and hope stitched into time. Today I am not just making a wall hanging, I am weaving a story of hands that create, hearts that heal, and homes that glow with handmade love. Long ago, before machines filled our lives, every home and something handmade, a crochet piece made by a grandmother, a jute craft tied by a mother, a wall hanging that carried warmth, not price tag. And today we are bringing that feeling back. I start with simple jute rope, rough, natural, imperfect, just like life itself. As I touch the jute thread, I think of the year gone by, the struggles, the lessons, the moment, the shape. Every knot remind me that even tangled thread can create beauty. This is not just decor, this is a therapy for the soul. Let's begin. Now comes crochet, soft loop, gentle curve, patience hand. Crochet teaches patience. You cannot rush a stitch, just like you cannot rush healing. With every loop, a whisper silent wishes peace for the coming year, strength for hard days, and happiness for small moments. The wall hanging takes shape, a jute and crochet come together, something magical happen. The rough meet the soft, the strong meet the delight. Just like life, balance is everything. This wall hanging is not loud, not shiny, yet it speaks louder than expensive decor. It says, this home believes in simplicity, the home values handmade love, the home welcomes the new year with warmth. New Year decor is not about trend, it's about feelings. When guests see this wall hanging, they don't just see jute and yarn, they feel comfort, calm, and creativity. It reminds us that the new beginning don't need perfection, they only need intention. Using jute and crochet is also a promise to nature. No plastic, no waste, just natural beauty. This graph tells the world that sustainability can be stylish and simplicity can be powerful. A personal reflection. As I hang this wall decor, I pause. I think about my dreams for the coming year. I think about how small effort can bring big change. If we can turn simple thread into art, then surely we can turn ordinary days into meaningful memories. The wall hanging is complete now. As if whispering, welcome new year, come with peace, stay with kindness. This new year, decorate your home with stories, not just items. Create with your hands, heal with your heart, and welcome the future with handmade hope. If this graph inspire you, if this story touch your heart, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also share the video.